The National Human Rights Commission has appealed to Nigerians to support the Human Rights Fund, which they say remains unfunded till date. Executive Secretary of the Commission, Tony Ojukwu, with this appeal in Abuja. Senior reporter Celestina Area reports.
The awareness work led by the Executive Secretary of the Commission started from the Eagle Square through the central area to the National Human Rights Commission's headquarters in Maitama. The work was organized in partnership with the Rule of Law and Anti-Corruption, funded by the European Union and implemented by International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance. Speaking to newsmen, the Executive Secretary underscores the need for Nigerians to recognize that protecting human rights is a collective responsibility that goes beyond government efforts alone.
The remembrance of the dignity of man, a remembrance of your rights, the very essence of your being. That is what we are. And you know that for Nigeria, the #1 institution that the government has set up to ensure your rights under the Constitution is the National Human Rights Commission. We create awareness, we sensitize Nigerians to emphasize the fact that we all have rights, and if your rights are violated, as long as they are human beings living in society, there will be violation of rights. But the important thing is, government has also provided a place you can go to complain if your rights is violated. You know, we have a toll-free number, 6472. Any Nigerian from any part of Nigeria whose right is violated, you can call that number. We have offices in all the 36 states of Nigeria where these rights are being addressed.
To add to the value that the country has, because human capital is value. When you have good people, you have a very valuable society. The number of people you have that are trained, that can contribute positively, adds to your position and your status in the Committee of Nations.
The International Human Rights Day is celebrated annually on December 10th to commemorate the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It is the high point of the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence, which commenced on November 25th. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.